good afternoon. Welcome to chemistry class. In this class, we will discuss about the concept sheet of class Earth, subject chemistry, and topic. The chapter name is the language of chemistry. Okay, so the first question is fill in the blanks. So, Dalton used symbol for oxygen, then it will be filled O, and for hydrogen then the symbol will be capital H. Symbol represents one atom. Symbol represents one atom of an element. So a symbol represent for one atom of the element. Symbolic expression for the molecule is called Symbolic expression for a molecule is called chemical formula. What it will called? Chemical formula. Okay, it will called as chemical formula. Sodium chloride has two radicals. Sodium is a Na plus radical, sodium positive radicals, and while the chlorine has Cl minus negative radical. Okay, valency of carbon in CH4 is 4, C2 4 is 4, and C2H4 is also 4. So in all these compounds, the valency of carbon will be how much? It will be 4. Okay, so in hydrocarbons, valency of carbon always contains 4. So valency of iron in FeCl2. So valency of iron in FeCl2 is 2 and FeCl3 is 3. Okay, because with iron there are 2 chlorine are attached, and with iron there are 3 chlorines are attached. Formula for iron third carbonate is, the formula will be Fe3CO3 whole twice. It will be the formula for the iron third carbonate. Okay, now come to the complete each chemical equation. Sodium react with water to form sodium hydroxide, whose formula is NaOH, and form H2, means hydrogen gas. What it will filled here? Hydrogen gas. Okay, second reaction, potassium symbol will be K, react with water, formula will be H2O, and form potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, and formula will be KOH, and okay beta, so watch it again. Potassium, the symbol is K, water, the formula will be H2O, then it will form potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. Okay, potassium hydroxide. Okay, and the second compound, that is hydrogen gas, that is hydrogen gas, and the formula will be H2. Hydrogen gas formula will be H2. Okay, now come to the question number 2. Balance the following chemical equations. Okay, so Fe plus Cl2 gives FeCl3. So here the number of chlorine are 3, here the number of chlorine are 2. So to balance the number of chlorine, you should add the numbers here. So if we will add 3 here, then there will be total 6 chlorine here. And now if we will add 2 here, to here also it will be 6 chloride. So we will add 3 before Cl2 and 2 before FeCl3. Now atom of chlorine are balanced, but atom of iron are not balanced, because here iron is 1 and here iron atoms are 2. So to balance this iron, you have to add 2 here. Okay, so the reaction will become 2Fe plus 3Cl2 gives 2FeCl3. So it will be the valence chemical equation. Second, Fe plus O2 gives Fe2O2. So there are oxygen 3, there are 2. So to balance these, we will add 3. So total oxygen become 3, 2 is 6, and air 3, so we will add 2. So now number of oxygen are balanced, but number of iron are not balanced. There are iron Fe2 into 2. So total Fe 4. So you have to add 4 before this Fe atom. So it will become 4 Fe plus 3 O2 gives Fe2O3. 2 Fe2O3. Question number 3. So balance to this. Here oxygen are 5, oxygen are 2. So you have to add 5 here, then it will become 10 oxygen. Here only 5, so you will multiply this by 2, then oxygen become, how many oxygen it become? 10. So now oxygen are balanced, but phosphorus is not balanced. There are only one phosphorus, there are 2 ja 4 phosphorus, so you have to add 4 here before P. So 4P plus 5O2 gives 2P2O5 is the balanced chemical equation. 5. S8 plus O2 gives SO3. So there are 2 oxygen and 3 oxygens. So you have there are sulfur is 8, but there are sulfur only 1. So you have to firstly add 8 here to balance the sulfur. So now sulfur are balanced, but oxygen are not balanced, because here oxygen total 8 3 ja 24 and oxygen here 12. So if you will add 12 here, so 12 2 ja 24. Okay. So the what will be the balance calculation for this? S8 plus 12 O2s. 12 O2 gives 8 SO3. So it will be the balance equation for this. Okay. Now come to the 5. H2O plus O2. So if you will add 2 H2O and here also 2, then it will be balanced. 2 H2O plus O2 gives 2 H2O2. Okay. 6. Ag2O plus Ag. So you have to add 2 here and also 4 here. Okay. 2 and also 2. So 2 Ag2O plus 4 Ag plus 2 O2. Then this reaction become balanced. Now 7th, NaBr plus CaF2 gives NaF plus CaBr. So number of bromines are not balanced. Here 2 bromines, so you have to add 2 here. Now if you will add 2 here, then number of sodium become 2, and so to balance sodium on this side you have also add 2. Now this reaction become balanced. 2 NaBr plus CaF2 gives 2 NaF plus CaBr2. So these are the balanced chemical equations. Okay. Now come to the directions. Enter the symbol for element of space provided. Okay. So we have write symbols for carbon. The symbol is C. Copper symbol will be Cu. Nitrogen it will be N. Aluminium it will be Al. Oxygen it will be O. Okay. For silver the symbol will be Ag. Chlorine symbol Cl. Gold symbol is Au. Phosphorus symbol is P, and hydrogen symbol is H. These symbols you have to learn. Okay. Magnesium symbol will be Mg. Iron symbol will be Fe. Zinc symbol Zn. Helium symbol He. Sodium symbol is Na. Iodine symbol is capital I. Fluorine symbol is capital F. Capital F. Potassium symbol is K. Calcium symbol is Ca, and silicon symbol will be Si. So these are some name of elements whose symbols are noted here. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.